Maayong adlaw mga kahigalaan. Kami ang Wondering Kusina. Ako si Chakoy.
Ako si Mark.
Mga ka-Wonders, Happy New Year kaninyong tanan.
Yes, Happy New Year. Belated Merry Christmas.
Oo, nangyari ng lahat-lahat. So, our parents were here, no, are still here. Tapos, andito pa yung mama ni Mark, first time na makatravel abroad. And tonight, later tonight, as we're shooting this, uuwi naman yung father ko papuntang Cebu. At saka kasama na yung dalawang aso namin, guys. That's the latest update. Si Juice at saka si Sabrina. We have known them sa mga videos namin. Kung mag-aso talaga kayo, kailangan yung may kaya kayo, especially if you plan to bring them home. Kakayanin nyo. Not necessarily guys na mayaman kayo ha. It's just that it takes a great responsibility to raise pets. Especially pag aso. Yung mga aso po guys, para din po niyang mga tao. They're not equivalent to 100% equivalent to people, but they're sometimes better than people. However, these dogs, may emotions din yan. They're not just gifts. They are also creatures na kailangang alagaan. But anyway, we are here right now para magpasalamat po sa inyo sa mga pangyayari natin sa 2023.
Yes, sa lahat ng mga suporta, walang sawang panonood sa mga videos namin.
Alright. Sinimulan natin tungkol sa aso, di ba? So, lahat ng mga ka-wonders natin dyan, maraming salamat po sa suporta ninyo. As in, like, yung 23 natin was a roller coaster. Talagang ang daming highs at saka biglang may low.
Maraming mga ganap.
Maraming mga ganap. And first, before we continue, magpapasalamat lang po kami sa gumawa ng cake na to. Nagbigay ng cake na to. Kasi birthday niya kahapon. Happy birthday, Chef Mark, belated. So ngayon, kakain kami ng cake dito, mukbang ng cake, habang may black coffee. So this one is chocolate cake by DM Sweets. At saka yung cake kasi ni Chef Yang, hi Chef Yang, yung cake ni Chef Yang, kinuha nung parents namin nandoon sa kabilang bahay. Tapos ito, ang isa naman, this is from Maria Paz na binigay naman to ni Besh, ni Aina. Wow!
Thank you!
Grabe. 2023 has been quite a good ride para sa atin. And sa lahat ng mga tao na sumusuporta sa atin. Kasi just imagine, meron tayong Wondering Kusina sa atin ito supermarket. And pinapasalamatan po namin ang K&Q Events Management LLC.
Mira at kay
Shane. Yes, si Mira at saka Shane.
Sa bumubuo ng K&Q Events Management.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo at saka sa pagtiwala na binigay ninyo sa amin sa Wondering Kusina. Thank you very much. At sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa amin nung nandoon kami, lahat ng mga small business owners, mga entrepreneurs na nag-guest sa atin, at we are also happy. It was our honor na makatulong sa kanila by giving them exposures sa kanilang businesses. After that, saan tayo pumunta? May talagang may kami dito, may listahan kami. And yes, because of the K&Q Events Management or sa atin ito supermarket, nung may tatlo kaming recipes, yan yung chicken pastil, crispy tripe, at saka crispy beef. It was made available sa atin ito supermarket at that time. Na-feature po tayo sa Food Trip Magazine. It is an online magazine. And you can check them out sa Facebook page nila, Food Trip Magazine. Kasi maraming
nagtatanong kung saan mabibili, pwede bang mag-order.
Unfortunately, hindi pa po kami restaurant. So maraming salamat sa bumubuo ng Food Trip Magazine. Then, after that, nag-decide kami na pumunta ng
Georgia. Trip na Wondering Kusina.
First time namin mag-wonder after 4 years o after 3 years pag-create ng content. Wondering Kusina was intended to be a platform for content, not food and travel. Last year, it was our first time na mag-food trip sa Georgia. At magpapasalamat tayo sa Sightseeing Georgia. Thank you very much kay Alex, kay Thea, kay Andrew, at saka sa lahat ng team members na bumubuo ng Sightseeing Georgia. We were well taken care of.
Yes, na-experience natin yung cooking. Tapos, nagluto tayo sa bahay ni Alex.
Correct. As in, nagluto tayo ng tinolang manok na asin lang ang sangkap. Ang pinaka-highlight doon sa trip natin sa Georgia, it's not just the food but we were so honored na in our presence, binuksan ni Alex ang kanyang winery. naka-store yung wine or like fini-ferment niya yung wine for 6 months. And dahil sa pagdating namin doon lang niya binuksan. So first time binuksan niya para sa video natin. And then of course, pumunta tayo sa ibang sites ng Georgia at na-experience natin yung ibang pagkain nila doon. After natin sa Georgia,
may isang opportunity na dumating sa Wandering Kusina.
It was an opportunity for us. First, we were just affiliates din eh. We were asked to be affiliates. Hindi namin alam kung anong gagawin na affiliates. So, it was explained to us. It was a very long explanation. Kasi yung pagka-explain, parang we were already part of it. At saka nandun tayo palagi. And of course, ang nag-invite natin is someone very important to us. So, we thought na kailangan nandoon tayo. We were part of Mama's La Mesa. So, we cooperated Mama's La Mesa.
Just for 3 months.
3 months. Ang dami namin natutunan.
Marami kami natutunan mga
consequences of kung anong
running a restaurant.
Yes, at saka kung ano yung consequences when it comes to labor practices. Well, it was for me, it was more of a refresher dahil nga may restaurant kami dati. Pero ito iba kasi ibang bansa eh. So parang it was a refresher tapos mas marami akong natutunan. It was a good run kasi talagang grabe no, halos every night. Dugot pawis ang pinuhunan natin doon.
Yes, tapos marami rin tayong nakilala kagaya ni Chef CJ. Kilala natin.
Sila Michael, sila
Job.
si Job, si Jerome, tapos si Gab,
si Brian
at saka si Angie, at saka may mga drama pang nangyari within the staff na nakakatawa at the same time. Marami tayong natutunan. And sadly, we had to leave because we have set our priorities differently. For some people know the reason why we left, but that's for another story to tell. So we have to leave to prioritize other things. And kaya nagpapasalamat kami sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta kasi hindi sila nagsawa na manood ng videos namin. At dahil dyan, we were invited to be one of the recipients or awardees ng first ever Influencers Award organized by Purple and Pink Events and Ideas Creative Circle. Sa Dubai po ito naganap, tapos yun yung first award natin na natanggap and maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga bumubuo ng mga organizations na yun. And ang dami nun, nakita na meet din natin yung iba't ibang mga content creators, co-content creators natin, yung mga sikat dito sa UAE, Filipino content creators po ito. And
starstruck si Choy.
Na-starstruck ako sa mga content creators doon. And I'm very thankful for that opportunity. Maraming salamat po. After that, later on, na-acknowledge tayo, we were included in the top 100 influencers, Filipino influencers in the UAE.
Yeah.
Pero
so more than 100.
More than 100 actually ang nasa listahan, yung iba wala ng numbers. It's alphabetical ang pag-include nila. We are on the number 17. Yes. So maraming salamat po sa sponsors. First of all pala, maraming salamat sa Mabuhay Events Management sa pag-organize po ng first ever 100 influencers in the UAE. So mga ka-wonders, magpapasalamat din po kami sa Philippine Business Council. Kahit hindi po kami member, they have been a guiding light to us. So soon, hopefully, by then, we will also be members para mas marami pa tayo matutunan. And they've got all the knowledge and the skills to help you grow and learn in business. So,
legalities na kailangan natin sa business.
Correct. Kailangan natin ipatupad. At yes, especially kay Sir June, kay Professor Gao, kay Sir Joel, at saka kay Aina, kay Besh, Aina, kay Ma'am MJ, at saka kay Ma'am Jackie. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Taos puso po kami nagpapasalamat as Wandering Kusina. Kahit content creator pa lang po kami now, and we're still starting to have a business. Although, Sir June has experienced it, and so sobrang in love siya doon sa Putot Sikwati natin. Inshallah, we will have another run, and this time will be for the better. At maraming salamat din, of course, sa Bayanihan Council, sa lahat ng mga nagtitiwala po sa amin, especially sa akin, kay Chakoy, sa yung mga pag-host ng mga events sila. At saka sa former chairman natin na si Sir Rinante, thank you very much sa support mo, sir. Kasi pumunta din siya sa Squeeze Cafe. medyo hindi lang yung maganda yung naabutan niya kasi that was our last day. But anyhow, sir, maraming salamat at saka of course kay Chairman Alfonso at Vice Chairman Joshua. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Daghan kayong salamat.
At dahil dyan mga Wonders, kagabi walang tulog si Chakoy dahil may pinagkabalahan siya for the 2024 na mga video natin.
What is referring to mga ka-Wonders? It's actually Teka lang, puno yung bibig ko. It's of course 2024 and it's a new year and it has been a tradition, not a tradition but I would like to make it as a standard. 25 videos o mga clips ng mga videos, I added it sa 2024 intro natin. Oo. So, yung ano natin, Wondering Kusina kasi na music natin, it's ours. Talagang walang makakatulad niyan. Atin yan. It's composed by my sister, Mrs. Aris Vosotros Rokovetsky, ang nanay ni Atlas, Baby Atlas, as per my request. Lahat ng mga videos na mapapanood nyo ay galing sa 2023 natin na mga videos na ginawa. Same as nung 2023 intro natin, that was sa 2022 na mga videos na ginawa natin.
Tapos, yung kada year na video natin, siguro nasa 90-something na videos in 1 year. 96, I think, 98.
Ganun ba?
Kung hindi tayo
mag-skip.
mag-skip.
Kasi last year, ganyan na busy nga tayo sa Mamas Lamesa, so mga videos natin was quite kulang-kulang kasi nga na-busy tayo doon sa restaurant. Papanoorin natin yung intro video na yan ng 2024 natin. So, before we go, once again, daghan kayong salamat mga ka-Wonders sa inyong suporta. To be honest with you, hindi namin alam kung paano i-change din yung mga videos namin. Kasi OFW kami, somehow medyo, kasi we can't go eat outside all the time then, and at the same time, what we know is to hone our skills by cooking at home. So yan yung gusto namin pakita sa inyo. Of course, your chef, Chef Mark, ang magpapakita niyan. Tapos minsan pag feel ko magluto, akong magluluto. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta ninyo sa 2023 namin. God bless po sa ating lahat. So, kami po ang Wondering Kusina. Ako si Chakoy.
Si Mark.
Magsasabi po kaming, stay cool, stay safe, stay blessed, and peace. And here's our 2024 intro video.